Hey, welcome, oh, Uncle, welcome.
Tegwolo, you know as you take me my first son, eh? Now this one be our own first son, your mama elder brother.
Hey, Uncle, welcome. Uncle, when I'm small, I also my mom is a good girl because she said she dey carry first for school when we're not true.
Come on, will you shut up there and get out of there?
Mommy, person will get clear conscience, no they fear anything, no.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Oh, no, my. Tegwolo, your mother is a very, very smart woman. She dey try well for school that time. And I mean, they use my hand carry her go school.
Shebi, you don't hear him now. Oh, yeah. Carry the things inside. Carry your uncle bag inside. Carry and go inside, yeah? Hey, welcome, my brother.
Uncle, you're welcome.
Ah, my sister, this food where you na cook very sweet. Ah, thank you. Make I go sleep. Una good night.
Ah, my brother, good night, oh.
Who is that? What did they make that noise for our house? Go to sleep now. I know what I could do. I could show this brother something. I could put something for him mouth. Hey God! If I make it stop, he put her for here too. Oh! Hey, I know what I could do. I could cover his head with the sheet. Hey God! This snoring when I carry the shit off! I don't die! Oh God. My guy, how far now? Hey, Bolo, why your eyes swell up like this? You sleep for house? My brother... One of our uncle bring loudspeaker come he swallow speaker so when it is snow, God. I just sleep, just day my eye, and now I want to sleep my own sleep for yesterday.
Tegwolo, you don't come back house. Ask school today.
Brother, oh, it was a sleepy day. I just sleep for school because I not sleep yesterday.
Really? No good, oh. Oh, yeah, come, we go sleep afternoon sleep.
Hey, but I got for me. You don't sleep afternoon sleep for this house. But I got for me.
What's it be this one now?
No, don't be sad. No one make you sleep. Mommy say make I call you. Mommy say make I tell you, say make you come meet her for shop. So when I get family meeting to catch up on old times. But I go meet mommy for shop. Mommy they call you.
Tegwolo, you sure? Make I call her. Hello? Mama Tegwolo. Tegwolo say you dey call me for shop, not true?
No, I don't call you. I dey work for shop. We go see for evening when I come back.
This boy, yeah. You want to do this boy, you too funny.
You think say you why?
Hey God, I don't die. Oh, I don't die. But I go sleep only you. It's not me and you that we sleep afternoon sleep together. I go there outside.
May God not allow them, let them kill you.
Oh God. Even they snore like when lion they laugh.
Make una off na gen light dey.
Auntie, no worry, no be gen, na snore my uncle dey snore. Who they using those truck grinding machine for our area now? Auntie, na so we see our uncle from village come.